Mame mo akwaba emfa wombra GCN page so meaning the Adwoa search. Mesro subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so. Ube a notification and send me a koso wo mem bia benye bia tie anase ubenye bi ahwe. Ora ebokum sin oye NDC ni na okase na nsem a okan na ne se hwe. NDC party no eje bia ye ba betome no na confusion na nsem bi eba besisi me no esen ne abesenko papa nti NDC fo mu ye steady na mu ye careful na mo hwe nyema bi ye na mo ntutu mo na mo ye because ensem e koso NDC party ni mu no enye maba aden eden pa na NDC fo no titiru pa eye NDC caucus no mo parliament house no eden na ha mo aden what is your problem adan mudidi enso mu ana enyema bia mo ya nyo na sameja mfi kwaka mo so onye na krata na sameja mfi troba abonti a obedidi ya honorable Mutaka minority leader ora Haruna Indrusu na speaker of parliament right honorable Abanba Benatemeno ne abado kra no na kesima se de di nkan bese ne de ne sokra na sameja mfi krata obetra abonti no ene ebeki candies for muti aboma ebe ya mo pa ene afa na ndis for mpemfo na ebeto mo boase atena ase a tro krata ahoro mo papa ene ne de besi party ni nwasi ni sentia de ntia owura ebokum sin kase na ne se aden NDC NP samo parliament house mo ha agensa ena no mo koto aba e ma na na do ni ministers a na mo akoto aba de atia the MPP for nipa 10 papa na anko parliament house anko ankoto aba and now no budget here ba bontin NDC for ya to ni din kofie kowi budget ya tax gum bebre ba ya chi yan ho anchi chese Ghana for ya bre na COVID-19 e bai COVID-19 yan Ghana for ne ka se embra na COVID-19 ya ba na wa aban kra wo ya aban no kra so ho achi 2 per tax. How much more young citizens na yen adwuma no yen ye ho nkyere ya government e ba be tax wo yen so a tax anka na no budget e oberedi wo mo beredi anka ne NDC fo na esusu ne se enenka parliament house or debate na mo yen ka mo nji ntumi nda enji ntumi ochina na nso we de dabi entisa NDC MPs no mo parliament house no omo ayo mo adwen se yenim se 2024 abato na e ba beto no omo mpese ye de omampani dada his excellency besan so aba into omo ye propaganda eti o se den yo oju hu kwa unti NDC fo na se you don't think we NDC fo so omo think far they don't think madness ya koye se NDC MPs no omo parliament house no omo pese omo aje se bola soja omo hihya ase na omo pu adenti na motisa mo aje budget na atum ene se we budget tax be ya na adom aso egu Ghana fo se yemtue enye nwa se ejapade one kwam de ba parliament house wo be san so age atum because why am adwen se ensem enye MPP fo de bia yo enye wo be atum adenti na NDC fo MPs no mo ha NDC fo ne adwen sa wo man mu na adofie nti ensem a owura ebo kunsin de etudwa
no omo pushi the family push the family wo bere no wakoye campaign 2024 say nkofo dey Japan bad deal buy wo bere no wakoye campaign say taxes from the Ghana for the body and the pay radio station bi no mo interview one of MP no see tax no dey say massa dey am mo ye o radio so na say mo ko parliament akoka tie akoto abeti say yes tax in Ghana for nji na makọ akotra me ya to dey tie bi enti opening asem dey edin madam ka say details in my because when him say oye ne be say si party no bi man kan na me boa as a matter of fact oye ne be say say first one is you ya kunto kwakwa ya nkunwie na so asa kwoto fufu a na so ni party man ko me ato aba na say dey tie
so how start which me start
you do understand issue afina abanti as afina ebe sati abobode aba but me dey na ye kan o nkofo nka to ya no mo say na mpiso we are not there for MP who told you that grassroots political grassroots no who be the president who hear man say no wedi ntem wan say man for nye post ko tran no say grassroots she ye ko primary say ameti yi say ye grassroots na to abeti am say come MP I didn't get opportunity to even contest as a parliamentary candidate in my constituency because of my grassroots. Mani na blame ni so dey be am the mom then no musam no because MPP who say MPP ya suspend obi ma wa be chen radio so kasa che obi da etia party da e bi nsi ya suspend the comedy because MPP before you be more that opportunity they make sure so we a loyal person to the party why your party no match and so they support na. So that is why you see that MPP will suspend people and they will not talk. By NDC, Obi ban. In the Ghana for one man NDC for opportunity said, Muko 137 MPs. Into Muko boss at the Engu, the Mako Tom and that's your cabinet, and we are because I mean, on what I mean, DNC and Dia, start 3 MPs, Ranko, my Yako cabinet, and beam. Not just a son, and just say the Japan so bar, and not go from a 10 Marco.
And I would end there, Pierre Nankasa, Medo or being for Sudia name. Change up.
No cray.
Kaisenko, Pumakoda.
No cray.
Such a never know. Now, who Dick, who yen the eposi, a you be
a young one, and MSM NDC4. I'm here 3 years HSNB. Because you can't counter Montiasia. The entire makers are no say there's so much inconsistencies. Osha Mokasa no more. If you say ne pay meti omopanya ye feno honorable Abezi. Or say parliament the yenye says no ye new be majority. If you say we kuta 137 and we kuta 137. Now independent candidate no there or no known to me can say Sebi or no so your party. And until no biabo be at meeting a baby. And then you may take us an answer. So you almost got a majority side because they feel so many kuta the majority number. And Contano, make cabo moi, Metiasia, ye. If you say
137 no 137 until be at na baby of pay.
Miniaba,
be at na baby of pay.
Miniaba, when you say just a bo doom, you know, and son at the last parliament, you know. Yakase, you dissolve the cry. Unimsa. This is about say, I have a time now. About 10:31. Aka 1 hour, 30 minutes. And Sana, Parliament, 7th Parliament of the 4th Republic, you dissolve it. And so far as that Parliament has not been officially dissolved, the position wa Omakotinano, Omuni Kwanso Motinaho. Because Parliament officially has not dissolved. Ghana Mrano, the 1992 Constitution now has standing orders of Parliament and so on. Clearly, Emra, Ombetimiakase, the Parliament, 7th Parliament, and you dissolve it officially. This is no do me no. Apart from that, the intermakers of Moncontania and say, Parliament, ye baby, ye shemra. And I'm saying, baby, ye shemra, Tino. And penny for ye or more. Omo interpreted and answer more pension, Yemremono. Omoka samwa yena wose ya shasi disuma timemufo no so yede edisubi if you say anche ana asen north inyan ntia say a high court judge has ruled say a ye asen north MP yesoni ina enyeyi. What it means is that he does not qualify to call himself a member of parliament elect. If he say okuta a ye other allegiances to other countries. Now the Busani say high court ebua sasemi say sa na tiedia. And your Chester NDC for 137 says what you, because we are a house and as a chamber, yen ye be yambra. And this ye know if you are not seeing, say Mrana because you be this one, no, say yes, if and you know, ocean numbers no, it does not make any mathematical sense for NDC to say I'm occupy the seat of the majority. But we no clear woman say. And Sani be Speaker of Parliament, the standing orders of Parliament at say in the absence of a speaker, and as ye speaker, the otra the clerk of Parliament. I am hoping that some amount of declarations will have to be made and our pronunciations will have to be made by the clerk or order the marshal. Me who baby no Canada. Be that as it may. Say I'm calling some and I'm see better about for speakership in Intino. Ye tuaba, ye be who domwa, ukuta, a yen numbers, and also kuta do. And until you better than every who domo, and not trepife, Senocre, MPP Amanyoku, Yena MP say what parliament, your doors home. And in any case, if anybody says, oh, independent candidate, overtly, and ask what Bob Bontiaka say, Mujaye, blue. And for that matter, at all times, I'll be supporting the new patriotic party. Indeed, this is a man why now so obetna baby MPP form ponso ye dey etie nti wo hwe numbers no it does not make any mathematical sense for them to start calling themselves majority leader and majority chief whip no ma. It is unconstitutional, it is un-Ghanaian for them to come early and say some kotena baby a majority for now when parliament has not officially dissolved. Sa bia omoteno eye sebe MPP for Omotibia because Parliament Ninyanya Day and Coleno off. And it is un-Ghanaian for them to do that. No credit do me huma.
O tenfa.
Metie the six
Polachi.
The Miche Polachi. Baby metie no hoya pa hoya strategic inti.
Speaker I.
Yes, yeah, speaker be hume. Yes, tafofo so hu say yes. Omayi nipa so omede.
I say who be a new mobile because so the cover house I say akra wa be school na pre.
Adwuma no ohun ye di kan asua ye di kan boa ye ho say da say no Nyankopon ya adom a ye beba aba begina ayetafofo anem nti ya boa ye ho asie to represent the good people of Old Tafo constituency empire ye boa ne say